Good evening, everyone. Just waiting for everyone to join in. Hi, everyone. Good evening, Vaibhav. Hi, Nitesh. Hello, Ajay. Good evening. Hi. Hi, Reis. Hi, Apurva. Good evening, Jadhav. JP sir. Hi, sir. Good evening, Karthik. Hi, Diva. Hi, Harshika. Dr. Glace is here. Just a minute. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Please confirm if I'm audible. Am I audible? Yes, no. So I will start. I'll not waste any time because time is something we do not have an opportunity. Am I audible and visible? Please confirm. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. सुन रहा है? दिख रहा है? Okay. Thank you, Dr. Glace. How we cover syllabus. That is why I'm here. Dear friends, let us not waste any time and start from where we stand today. Am I disappointed? Yes. Am I disheartened? Yes. At the same time, do we have the time to cry about it or feel bad about it? The unfortunate answer is no. See, nobody actually, as far as I know, wanted, instead of grace marks or instead of compensation, we should be getting this kind of quite an early exam. But at the same time, we need to live in reality. And the reality is, National Board of Examination has announced that they are going to have a special session in the month of October. And what they have said is last week of October. Before I begin, I want to say a few things. Many of you have joined. Already 400 people are live right now. So please take a mic in front of your mouth in hand. See, there will be, I do not have any mic or anything with me. So I'm right now sitting in my home and sharing my POV with all of you. I will not be replying to your comments because if I try to reply, I do not have a, script in front of me. I am telling what I know and what I feel I should be doing if I'm in your position. So first of all, what has happened today is that most of you know already that National Board of Examination has refused that they will be giving any compensation. At the same time, they have announced a few measures, half of whom, they will have a probably long-term impact. But for most of us who will be sitting in this exam, who were waiting for compensation, grace marks have not been given. Second thing about the exam, what they have said is in the month of October, what their tweet also says is that eligible students will get another early chance. Now, what do they mean by eligibility? We don't really know. By eligibility, do they mean the people who appeared in July exam and failed? Or do they mean every single student? There is complete silence on that. So till the official notification comes in, my advice would be that you, just wait for the official notification what eligibility means. Now I will be dividing this discussion, this POV into three parts. First part is, if you are targeting October exam, what should you be doing? I will be putting myself in your shoes and thinking कि क्या किया जाए कि we should have a good, more than fighting chance when we sit in the exam. Secondly, I will be talking about people who are preparing and targeting the January exam. And eventually, I will take up this open house session. If you have any queries which I can answer, see, I cannot answer all queries. What I can answer, I will be taking up those queries as well. So let me start. Once I have done with it, you are most welcome to, post your comments or anything. I will be taking them up. First of all, sir, I prepared in July exam. I sat in July exam. मेरा exam pass नहीं हुआ. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? My advice to you is very simple. 2 months is very limited time. So you do not have the luxury of reading everything new. You do not have the luxury of taking any fresh coaching, and you do not have the luxury of, buying a new course and preparing for it. So this is the time for consolidation. Before I begin, there are a few things I want to share with all of you. Now, I still remember it's been almost 11, 12 years. But once upon a time in my life, I was faced with a similar situation. NEET UG was not introduced and state PG exam and All India PMT was done. I had not done well in my IIPMT. And there was another, Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, now we call as Safdarjung. That exam was individual exam at that time. I appeared in that. I performed very poorly. And while I was going back, it was the month of January, I was sitting on the railway station and actually thinking about it, कि मैं कहाँ पहुँच गया हूँ. And I used to be a topper in my school. And I was the one who cleared AFMC. I joined AFMC. I left it by my choice. And here I am not being able to clear any exam. But somehow, I had the right people in my life and there was an inner voice जिसने मुझे बोला कि यार ये तेरी जिंदगी का सबसे लोएस्ट पॉइंट है, अब इससे लो तू नहीं जा सकता. एंड sometimes you hit rock bottom. Ask yourself, have you not hit rock bottom right now? You were expecting that something good will come out of it, some grace marks will be given, some compensation will happen, maybe you will get some clarity on video questions will be asked or not, but there is no clarity yet. So this is the lowest point. But do we have any option apart from fighting against it? The answer is no. I got some messages asking, कि sir, should we start another protest and should we boycott this exam? Dear friends, with folded hands, I tell you, very, very eminent people tried their best. And trust me when I say they tried their best. They gave their heart and soul into it. Dr. Jaswant, Dr. Ashish, and all the people, they supported, all the student organizations supported. But eventually, kuch nahi hua. So my advice to you, let us accept October exam is going to happen. And as Dhawan sir also said just a while back in one of his Insta lives, padna to padega. So agar padna hai, and we have 2 months to go with 3 days spare, what should be our strategy? So let us break it down. पहले काम की बात करते हैं. All the doubts and everything we can talk about later as well. Let us break it down. We have roughly about 2 months to go before your October exam. क्या नहीं करना है? First of all, new detailed video start नहीं करना है. If you have done something before, it's fine. Do not buy a new detailed video. Second thing, do not think that I will not give grand test and I will give at the end of the exam. It has been too many months. You have appeared in the exam once. So my advice would be GTs have to be given and just be clear in your mind. कब देना है? I will be coming to it. Thirdly, cover to cover reading का time नहीं है. You have to be selective and you have to be strict. Number 4, because it is going to be a exam where, there is a possibility National Board of Examination will make at short notice. So you can expect some previous year topics to be asked in almost every subject. So we have to orient our preparation based upon PYT. So if I am in your place, this is a question. I sat alone in this room. This is my personal space. Nobody comes here. I thought कि अगर मैं आपकी जगह पे हूँ, based upon my experience, how would I be preparing? I would divide these 60 days into 3 divisions. I will divide it into 3 divisions. First division will be first revision. First revision. The first revision will be about 31 to 32 days. कैसे करूँगा मैं? I will try to cover all 19 subjects from my existing notes. From my existing notes. तो question time कितना देना है? Listen to me carefully. Whatever I'm saying, summary of it, I have already told one of my colleagues, junior colleagues, to compile it. He's good with the visuals also. And as soon as this video ends, within the next 25-30 minutes, that will be posted as a separate post on my Instagram. If you feel you can benefit from it, that summary of this video will be available in a written format. But for now, just listen to, if I'm in your position, what I will do. I will divide this phase into 3 parts. First part will be from today or maybe from tomorrow till the next 31 days. Let us say 32 days. Then there will be second reading which has to be done in 16 days, and then last 1 week or 10 days we have to keep separately. Let us break it down. When I am doing the first reading or the first revision, which is to be finished by 1st October, what I will be doing. So you have to finish by 1st October all 19 subject reading. What will be your source? The source will be your own existing notes If you feel your existing notes are too heavy, alternative would be some rapid revision or quick revision program that you have done before. It should not be a totally new thing. अगर कोई totally new है उसकी बात हम सबसे end में करेंगे. So let us say you have done all the 19 subjects from one source, any source. And let me be clear here, I'm talking in my personal capacity. I work with Doc Tutorials, Arise Academy, MedNext, Medway. I work with Prep Ladder for super specialty, and I know all these courses, all these businesses, they are there, and they are, end of the day, they are composed of teachers only who are providing you. Today, I'm not talking not on their behalf, but as a educator, as an individual, as someone elder to you. If I am in your position, what I will do. Starting from tomorrow till 31st, till 30th of September or 1st October, I will finish one reading. How much time I will give? 4 subjects: medicine, surgery, OBG, PSM. I will give 3 days each. I repeat, medicine, surgery, OBG, PSM. I will give 3 days each. Now you would say कि sir 3 दिन में कैसे होगा? This is the time everyone has. You are not supposed to read everything new. No definitions, no pathophysiology, only important areas. By this time you already know that if I am reading, let us say I'm reading cardiology. You know that in cardiology, JVP waves are important. You know that cardiac tamponade versus constrictive pericarditis is important. You know that management of acute coronary syndrome is asked. You know that atrial fibrillation flutter, they will show an ECG and ask you the management, sometimes hemodynamically unstable, sometimes stable. So this is the time selective reading has to be done. If you are running short on time and you cannot decide, you can ask the faculty. As far as I know, I've been told by my colleagues, many of them will be coming out with topics to focus very shortly in the next few days. So you will have help coming your way. You will help coming your way, but divide the time, plan it meticulously. Every minute, every single moment counts. So medicine 3 days, surgery 3 days, OBG 3 days, PSM 3 days. Okay. What about the next level subjects? PSM, Path, Pharma, Micro, Anat, Physio, Biochem, Pediatrics, my own subject, and these subjects I would be giving 2 days each. These subjects I will be giving 2 days each. Ophthalmology and ENT I would be giving 1.5 to 2 days, depending upon how strong and weak you are. Ophthalmology unfortunately या तो बहुत easy आता है या बिल्कुल सिर के ऊपर जाता है. My advice, do not give more than 2. With all due respect, do not give more than 2 days because हमारे पास इतना ही time है. As for the short subjects, skin, psychiatry, radio, anesthesia, ortho, you will be giving about half to 1 day each, depending upon how strong or weak you are. If you calculate the number of days I told you, it makes about 30 to 32 days. You can add probably 1 or 2 days in a very weak subject, and so let us say your derma is strong. Do not give entire day, give half a day, but finish it. So this is the division you will be giving. In the second course, which will start. Now what you do in this is, कि phase 1 में sir करना क्या है? What am I supposed to do in the phase 1? I will share all this schedule. Written format I will share before I sleep. By midnight you will have it. But listen to me now. So मैंने जो लोग अभी join कर रहे हैं, some of you have joined just now as I can see the numbers. So first reading of all 19 subject and MCQ should be done by 1st October. Before Gandhi Jayanti comes, first reading. Medicine, surgery, OBG, PSM 3 days each. Other subjects 2 days each. Short subjects 1 day each. Right? For any particular big subject, you can add 1 day. For any short, middle level, very weak subject, you can add or subtract 1 day. And I would advise that for the shorter subjects, add or subtract half a day each. Now, what is to be read? Any notes you have made, any coaching material you joined, stick to that because आप एक बार पढ़ चुके हैं. Your mind has that memory still intact. Only PYQs of FMG starting from 2021 till 2026 this exam. If time allows, NEET PG questions starting from 23 till 25. INI said time कम है. I would advise you can incorporate them only if you feel that you were in the range of 145 to 149. Otherwise, the INI set is optional at this moment. Now, sir, दिन में पढ़ना कितना है? I would say let us assume that 8 घंटा हम लोग सोते हैं, 2-3 घंटा हम इधर उधर का काम करते हैं. You still have roughly about 10 to 11 hours. Out of these 10 I would say do not read 16 hours right now. लोग बोलेंगे 16 hour पढ़ना है, एनर्जी सेव करके चलो. let us say you are reading 10 to 11 hours per day. Out of these 10 to 11 hours, about 7 hours you have to read theory, about 3 hours you have to do MCQ, preferably PYQ. Custom module is optional, preferably PYQ, and read the explanation. Whatever question is going wrong, see the explanation from your notes. So 70% time for your theory, 25% time for your MCQs, and keep half an hour, 45 minutes extra. What do you do in that? आपका मेडिसिन खत्म हो गया, आपके कुछ टॉपिक छूट गए हैं, या देर आर अ फ्यू टॉपिक्स यू आर नॉट श्योर बट यू वांट टू सी देम एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. When you were doing PYQ, they were creating problem for you. Let us say you are not very happy with malabsorption disorder. Let us say you are not very happy with AML, ALL, CML, CLL का differentiation. So you write those points and daily half an hour you revise those particular points. These will go parallel. They will make sure that your weaker area which you touched upon continues to become strong as you are moving forward to the other subjects. This will be very variable and vary from person to person. Now your GT का कब देना है? Every 10 days one GT for the next 1.5 months. 7 days में देना चाहे 7 में दे सकते हैं, 2 weeks देना चाहे 2 दे सकते हैं. My advice would be 1 GT every 10 days. And when you give a GT, spend half an hour and 1 hour not analyzing the GT answers, identifying मेरे weak subject क्या है, because that we are going to target in revision number 2. So in 1 month you would have given about 3 or 4 GT. Okay, now analyze these 3 or 4 GT और आपको पता चलता है कि सर मेरा मेडिसिन खराब है, मेरा पैथोलॉजी खराब है, मेरा फार्मा खराब है, फिजियो खराब है, और लेट अस से पीडियाट्रिक्स खराब है. ये 5 सब्जेक्ट वीक है. Now what you will do in the second phase of reading is that you will be starting on 2nd October. First of all, you will be giving 1 day each to these 5 subjects which were weak. And there also, if your, let us say, medicine is weak, you cannot give entire medicine. And medicine maybe there will be a particular system which will be weak. So you give 1 particular day to those weak areas which you identified through GT. Then the remaining 10 or 12 days that you have till about 20th or 21st, half a day to 1 day each, you start doing the subjects. Now here, you do not talk about the entire subject. You only look at what you already know. If you have been taught, you already know the croup and laryngotracheobronchitis, croup versus epiglottitis already by me also and by Dhawan sir also in ENT. There is no need to read the third time. You already know. एक में steeple sign है, एक में thumb sign है. You know it already. So do not touch topics like this in the second reading. Only the areas which were weaker, areas you marked, and areas which were going wrong, you have to target. And then when it comes the last week, in the last week, only topics. Topics shortly asked, topics shortly forgotten. Mix it up. Milestones, vaccines, CD markers, translocations, monoclonal antibodies, PSM new health programs, logos of PSM, photographs. Should I be doing video questions at this moment? Time is too limited. Only look at the recall videos of the previous session. My advice, folded hand emoji. Please stay away from video questions when you have 2 months to go, because nobody can predict कि वहाँ क्या आने वाला है. Now in this phase, you should be mixing up the questions when you solve them. And I would advise कि try to give 2 subjects instead of doing only 1 subject in 1 day. Here also the division will remain the same. Maximum time to theory, 2 to 3 hours of MCQ and half an hour or maybe 1 hour per day for the weak area. Now you would say कि सर मेरा एक सब्जेक्ट फार्मा है जो मुझे तंग कर रहा है and pharma is weak. In the second reading, entire 10 or 12 days of second revision that you are doing from 1st October till 20th October, you will be reading 1 class of drugs every day for half an hour. And whatever you read in 6 days, you revise on the 7th day. This is to make sure that your weak area you are doing so many times, at least 2 or 3 times, it becomes a solvable area. आपको एक चीज याद रखनी है कि when exam में question आएगा, answer will be written there. Do not, get tempted by reading pathophysiology right now. Spellings नहीं आते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, mix it up. But in the last week, my advice will be stick to antidotes, screening tests, biostat formula, PSM, major programs, vaccines, milestones, scoring systems, derma lesions, ENT signs, ophthalmic signs, syndromes, ECG, X-ray, CT, MRI का मोटा मोटा picture. Stick to them and revise them well. Do not read anything new. Do not read anything new. And okay, with all due respect, do not overspend time on labile subjects like anatomy. Anatomy छोड़ के जाना है? बिल्कुल नहीं. पर anatomy को 3 दिन से ज्यादा देना है? बिल्कुल नहीं. Because अब कितना भी anatomy पढ़ लें, याद वो उतना ही रहता है, या तो सॉल्वेबल होता है या अनसॉल्वेबल होता है. सो सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक एनाटॉमी, डू नॉट ओवर स्पेंड योर एनर्जी एंड टाइम. Pharmacology, whatever teacher you have followed, stick to notes. No Google chatting, no chat GPT use, or finding the important topics. No new drugs in the last 1 month which have been given. Stick to that. And no new program you should be doing at this moment, right? तो overdo नहीं करना है किसी भी चीज को. शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट को एक दिन से ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ना है. वीक है कोई बात नहीं, बाकी सब्जेक्ट से किसी तरह पूरा करेंगे. You need to understand there is fire right now at our home. We have to extinguish the fire, save our lives somehow, cross this line. The time to get 200 plus or target 200 plus is gone. We just need to cross the line somehow. और GT का last 7 days में GT नहीं देना है. I repeat, नहीं देना है. क्यों नहीं देना है? Demoralize हो जाएंगे, ऊपर नीचे स्कोर हो जाएगा, and we will not be able to focus whether it was a tough GT or it was a GT which was normal, but my performance was not that great. So my advice would be, please be smart. I am summarizing what I said. 3 रीडिंग देना है हमने. फर्स्ट रीडिंग ऑल 19 सब्जेक्ट को वेटेज के हिसाब से देखना है. एवरी डे यू हैव टू कीप अ स्मॉल डायरी और अ स्मॉल बुकलेट वेयर whatever topics you are reading, but you know कि मेरे को भूलने वाला है या आपके GT में गलत हो रहे हैं, उन टॉपिक्स को आपने लिखना है. When the second reading starts, now you compress it. Based upon the GTs you have given, identify the weak areas. 5 weak subject, वो 5 weak subject एक दिन देकर पहले करने हैं. बाकी subjects club them together, mix them up, and keep reading the mistakes that you made in PYQs and that copy that you made. Keep revising them. And in the last 1 week, only focus on last 1 week से पहले, maybe around 21st or 22nd, give one last GT, good quality GT, and then just for the sake of it, ताकि mind में prepare हो जाए. Stay awake during the daytime because exam will be held in the daytime, and shift over to just looking at the mistakes in PYQ that you made and topics, milestones, coding system, CD markers, examples I've already given to you, right? That list will be shared by your individual brilliant faculty members also. That will be shared at my end. मैं वो काम करूंगा खुद से नहीं, बाकी लोग जो कर रहे हैं, मेरे कलीग्स जो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, without taking permission, क्योंकि इस पे copyright नहीं होता. I will take it from their pages, compile them together and share with all of you. सर, ये है आपका एग्जाम. सर, क्या आप पास होने के चांसेस हैं? देखो, आपको ये समझना है, इतने बवाल के बाद अगर मैं NB वाला हूं, मैं पेपर ऐसा सॉल्वेबल बनाऊंगा. अभी भी 12-15, मान लो बहुत गंदा पेपर आया, तब भी 12-15-20% लोग पास होंगे. 20% will still have a chance. And those who are 110, 100, 115, फाइटिंग चांस है. देखे तो देखो, नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. यू नेवर नो, एंड मे बी इफ यू जस्ट टच इट, यू स्टिल 2 रीडिंग तो हो गया ना आपका. यू वुड नो कि जनवरी में मुझे किस काम पे करना है. सो माई एडवाइस, व्हाट इज देयर टू लूज? हारने को है क्या आपके पास? कुछ भी नहीं, घर बैठे हैं ना अभी. ऑल वी कैन डू इज मे बी क्रॉस द लाइन समहाउ. लुक एट इट, मे बी क्रॉस द लाइन समहाउ. प्लीज गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट. और ये याद रखो, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं था. आई रिपीट, हमारे हाथ में नहीं था. पर क्या हमारे पास चॉइस है? नहीं है. तो जो है, लेट अस मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट. अब दूसरा प्रॉब्लम आता है कि सर, आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर जनवरी एग्जाम, राइट? आई एम अ फ्रेशर, मैं क्या करूं? देखो, इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर एंड यू हैव नॉट डन ऑल 19 सब्जेक्ट्स बाय नाउ, द गेम इज डिफरेंट फॉर यू एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग एंड वेरी वेरी टफ. आई एम नॉट doubting your credentials or your intellect, but let us be honest here today कि बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. So what I would advise is, eligibility आपका है या नहीं, अभी इस पे clarity नहीं है. I am a member of many faculty groups. Many of my colleagues across platforms are having doubts and discussions amongst them. कुछ कह रहे हैं, one school of thought says कि सर सबको eligible कर देंगे. कुछ कह रहे हैं नहीं सर, वो सिर्फ इन लोगों को टारगेट करके easy एग्जाम देंगे. क्या होने वाला है, क्लैरिटी नहीं है. ऑल दे हैव सेड इज एलिजिबल जो होंगे. अब एलिजिबल कौन होंगे, वी डू नॉट नो. सो जो लोग कोचिंग कर रहे हैं, जिन्होंने अपने प्रोग्राम्स बनाए हैं, लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं एंड और प्रिपेयरिंग एट होम, एंड यू आर टारगेटिंग जनवरी एग्जाम एंड यू आर ओनली डन विद 8, 9 और 10 सब्जेक्ट, माई एडवाइस वुड बी कीप प्रिपेयरिंग. द ओनली डिफरेंस यू कैन डू इज अब जीटी देना शुरू करना पड़ेगा अगर नहीं दे रहे. Whatever subjects you have done, in the breaks between the subjects, try to do PYQ. ऐसा करो कि जैसे मान लो let us say आपके 8 सब्जेक्ट हो गए हैं एंड यू आर अ फ्रेशर, यू आर नॉट श्योर कि सर मेरा चांस बनेगा कि नहीं, बट मैं चाहता हूं कि अक्टूबर के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर रहूं. So what I would do is till clarity comes, keep attending your class. Do not, let your focus go away. But between the classes, जो सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट हुआ था, let us say physiology हुआ था, you solve PYQs of FMG 21 to 25 or 26. Topics more than 2 times asked, only do them in the break day from your notes. Break day पे क्या करेंगे? जो सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट हुआ था, आधा दिन में उसके PYQ करेंगे और जो जो टॉपिक गलत हो रहे हैं या जो जो टॉपिक 2, 3, 4 बार आ चुका है उसको नोट से पढ़ेंगे. So that we are still in the game and at least the subjects which have not, which you have done before, at least you are totally not out of the touch. Because अगर अनाउंस हो जाएगा एलिजिबिलिटी और इन्फॉर्मेशन बुलेटिन आ जाएगा तो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि दैट विल कम शॉर्टली, सो यू विल हैव क्लैरिटी. माय एडवाइस, डू नॉट डायरेक्टली जंप टू रैपिड रिवीजन, क्विक रिवीजन प्रोग्राम, रिवीजन वीडियोस. अभी नहीं करना. इफ आई एम इन योर प्लेस आई विल नॉट. आपका ऑल्टरनेट ओपिनियन है, मोस्ट वेलकम. इंडिया इज अ डेमोक्रेसी. आप ऑल्टरनेटिव चाहते हैं, जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं, इसमें कोई कोचिंग नहीं है, कोई वो नहीं है. इफ आई एम इन योर प्लेस, दिस इज व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, राइट. Those who are stuck between 130 to 149, आपके पास बहुत golden opportunity है. Please make use of it. This opportunity will not come again, right? And ये जो भी मैंने बात बताई आपको, I will be summarizing it, making it into a 2-page file, and I will be putting it before I sleep around midnight here as well, right? तो मैंने अपने जूनियर हैं उनको मैंने बिठाया हुआ है कि भाई सुन, नोट्स बना, और ही इज मेकिंग समथिंग, सो वो आपके पास आ जाएगा. क्या अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? सी, दिस इज माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू विच आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू. नाउ देर आर सम एक्सीलेंट फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, मेनी ऑफ माई कलीग्स, सम जूनियर, सम माई एज एंड सम सीनियर्स, सब अपना अपना प्रोग्राम देंगे. सर किसको फॉलो करें? मैं बड़ा ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूं, एक को फॉलो कर लोगे, यू विल क्रॉस द लाइन. आज ये किया, कल वो किया, परसों ये किया, टाइम विल बी लॉस्ट. देर आर मेनी वेज टू रीच द सेम डेस्टिनेशन, but you need to walk honestly on one path. You try to jump the ship too much, you fall into trouble. मेरे को गाली पड़ेगी इस बात पे, लेकिन कोई भी नया डिटेल्ड वीडियो वाला प्रोग्राम नहीं खरीदना है, राइट? यूट्यूब रिवीजन कर सकते हैं, बट बेटर चीज क्या है? इफ यू हैव योर ओन नोट्स. कौन सा कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा है? कोई भी अच्छा है, सब अच्छे हैं. आप चूज करो आपके ने किसको किया. वट एवर यू फॉलोड लास्ट टाइम, वर्क अपॉन दैट. वट एवर सब्जेक्ट क्रिएटेड प्रॉब्लम, मे बी दैट सब्जेक्ट यू कैन चेंज, बट नॉट मोर देन 1 or 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. एंड डर्मा को मेडिसिन जितना नहीं करना और डर्मा को छोड़ना नहीं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? इफ यू लीव डर्मा, you are in trouble, but if you do derma as much as medicine, you are in trouble, according to weightage, according to your strength and weakness, and according to the PYQs and GTs which are telling you what are your problem areas. कोई बात नहीं, अगर कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म इस बार भी चेंज किया है तो जो किया है उसको स्टिक करो, जो सब्जेक्ट्स हो चुके हैं उनको वहीं से करो. एंड ऑफ द डे वी नेवर नो, मे बी द एग्जाम इज ऑन द इजियर साइड, और आप एक बार तो दे ही चुके हो ना, 130, 145 तक तो पहुंच चुके हो ना, राइट? यू कैन डू. बट इस वक्त ना वो जो आपके फ्लैश कार्ड्स और वो सब होते हैं, माई एडवाइस वुड बी स्टे अवे. वो रैंडम फ्लैश कार्ड्स और पर्ल्स जो होते हैं, वो पता किसके लिए होते हैं? 2 तरह के लोगों के लिए, कि सारा रिवीजन हो चुका है और अब थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है, या आपका स्कोर ही 100 है, राइट, 100 से कम है, तो अब आपको है यार कुछ तो पढ़ के जाऊं एग्जाम में, सारा 19 सब्जेक्ट होगा नहीं. बट इफ यू आर अ सीरियस स्टूडेंट, माई एडवाइस इज योर एग्जिस्टिंग नोट्स विल स्टिल बी द बेस्ट प्रिपरेशन फॉरवर्ड, राइट? प्रीवियस टॉपिक का लिस्ट आई विल ट्राई. हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस दिन में करने चाहिए? माई एडवाइस स्टार्ट विद 150, अबाउट 150 और सो. 150 कितनी देर में होंगे? मैंने बोला 3 से 4 घंटे. 3 घंटे में 150 क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं और एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देख सकते हैं, बिकॉज थ्योरी भी तो कर रहे हैं साथ में. यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो समवेयर अराउंड 150 इज प्रैक्टिकल. लोग बोलेंगे 300 कर लो, थ्योरी कब पढ़ोगे? 50 कर लो, टाइम नहीं है भाई 50 का. अभी 100 to 150 शुड बी द थिंग. पीडीआर रैपिड रिवीजन देखो भाई, मैं नहीं डाल सकता, मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डॉक्टर ट्यूटोरियल के साथ है, मुझे जेल हो जाएगी अगर मैंने डाल दिया तो, राइट? एट द सेम टाइम, can I do something for all of you? Yes, I called up Dr. Tutorials today and I said, I asked, requested the management कि कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो they said कि sir give us 2-3 days, we will plan something for the students. सर आप क्या कर सकते हैं हमारे लिए? देखो मैं आपके लिए इतना कर सकता हूँ, listen to me, मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? I have a YouTube channel और उसके ऊपर मैंने काफी टाइम से चीजें नहीं डाली हैं. I have my classes also, like I am giving an example, मैं फर्स्ट को निकल रहा हूँ, 4th को वापस आ रहा हूँ, फिर 7th को निकल रहा हूँ, फिर मैं 18th को वापस आ रहा हूँ. इसमें आई एम गोइंग फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी टेकिंग क्लासेस. इन बिटवीन आई विल ट्राई टू गिव अ सिनेरियो बेस्ड डिटेल्ड पीवाईटी डिस्कशन ऑफ मेडिसिन पैथ फार्मा. आई रिपीट, मेडिसिन पैथ फार्मा. वो किसी का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है, वो किसी का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है, बट इट विल ब्रिंग ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन टुगेदर. और जो जब आप ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लेंगे, जब आप रिवीजन नंबर 2 स्टार्ट करेंगे, जस्ट गो थ्रू देम. आई विल मेक इट अवेलेबल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एड भी नहीं चलाऊंगा, दैट इज अ प्रॉमिस, ताकि आपका टाइम वेस्ट ना हो यूट्यूब के ऊपर. दैट आई डोंट हैव अ कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, आई डोंट हैव एनी वो, सो आई विल डू इट फॉर यू. बट एट द सेम टाइम, क्या सर इससे हो जाएगा? भाई इससे नहीं हो, राइट? लेकिन क्या मुझे वो, मैं आपको द बेस्ट आई कैन गिव यू, आई विल ट्राई टू गिव दैट इन द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम, राइट? मैं कोई रेयर चीजें नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, मैं आपको ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि स्ट्रोक में फिनोमेना क्या होते हैं, लोकलाइजेशन कैसे करते हैं. टेबल पढ़ा दूंगा मैं, तो टेबल के अंदर इफ यू फील इट इज यूजफुल, यू कैन गो अहेड विद इट, राइट? एंड आई एम क्वाइट श्योर मेनी पीपल विल बी कमिंग आउट विद डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो ये जो मैंने आपको बोला, दिस इज वॉट आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू डू एंड दिस इज वॉट आई प्लान टू डू. जाने से पहले 2-3 चीजें और. पहली चीज, ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है. क्या ये आइडियल है? नहीं, हमें ये नहीं चाहिए था, हमें ये नहीं चाहिए था, लेकिन मिल गया है तो उसको आपदा को अवसर में बदलेंगे, राइट? केओस इज अ लैडर, लेट्स राइज दिस लैडर. अभी प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करेंगे दोबारा. बहुत ट्राई किया है सब लोगों ने, हमने सपोर्ट भी किया है, लेकिन नहीं हुआ. नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं, एनबी को उसी की गेम पे तोड़ेंगे. कैसे तोड़ेंगे? सक्सेस इज द बेस्ट रिवेंज. क्रैक द एग्जाम, crack the exam, and then share the story that despite everything I cracked this exam without compensation marks. I deserved compensation marks, नहीं मिला, मैंने अपने मेरिट पे क्लियर किया एग्जाम. लेट इट बी योर मोटिवेशन. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, हार जाएंगे, आज भी तो हारे हुए, कोई बात नहीं. वी लिव टू फाइट फॉर जनवरी, बट जनवरी का मौका नहीं आने देंगे. करके तो देखें एक बार. और लास्ट चीज जो मैं अपनी क्लासेस में भी आजकल बोलता हूँ, आप लोग भूल जाते हो, आप अपने स्कूल के बेस्ट थे. यू वर द बेस्ट इन योर स्कूल, यू वर द बेस्ट इन योर क्लैन, बेस्ट इन योर फैमिली. तभी घर वालों ने बोला 20-25-30 लाख रुपया खर्च करके फॉरेन भेजा है. क्यों भेजा है? इसलिए भेजा ना कि घर वालों को उम्मीद थी और आपके अंदर वो कैलिबर था. वो चला गया है थोड़ा सा, किसी रीजन से थोड़ा बैड लक चल रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. फोकस रखेंगे, इधर उधर जादू टोने के चक्कर में नहीं पड़ेंगे. जादू टोना मीन्स मैजिक प्रोग्राम, लेट अस फिनिश मेडिसिन इन 1 आवर, लेट अस फिनिश सर्जरी इन 2 आवर. नहीं करेंगे ये काम, राइट? नहीं होगा 1-2 घंटे में, 3 दिन लगाने पड़ेंगे मिनिमम, फिर रिवाइज भी करना पड़ेगा. बट लेट्स डू इट द ट्रेडिशनल वे, द बोरिंग वे एंड द स्मार्ट वे, एंड लेट्स सी वेयर लाइफ टेक्स अस. समटाइम्स लाइफ, गॉड, भगवान, अल्लाह, कुछ भी आप उनको बोले, अलग अलग नाम है, सेम फोर्स है. All they want to see is whether you are honestly, sincerely preparing or not. Try करते हैं ना? And you are not Clark Kent. You are Superman or Superwoman, Wonder Woman. आप भूल गए हो. आप गंगाधर नहीं हो, आप शक्तिमान हो. याद रखना. So शुड फ्रेश. अब ये जो आप ओपन हाउस है, कोई डाउट्स अगर आपको हैं तो आप मुझे भेज सकते हैं.